Fellas, ever feel like your lady love is doing the emotional equivalent of the Macarena? Backwards? Like she's slowly retreating, taking one step away with every unanswered text and late-night phone call? You're not alone, my friends. It's a phenomenon as old as time itself. Women pulling away, leaving us feeling more lost than a penguin in a blender. But before you reach for the emergency burrito and a box of tissues, hold on. The mind detective is here to crack the code of this mysterious maneuver and turn the tables in your favor. That's right. We're gonna make her miss you. Forget the clingy desperation, the endless texts, the desperate pleas to talk things out. We're taking a different approach, one that involves unleashing your inner badass, mastering the art of the friendly flirt, and radiating confidence hotter than a habanero on a heat wave. So grab a metaphorical cold one, ditch the pity party, and get ready to learn the 5 steps to make her miss you like a good cup of coffee on a Monday morning. Step 1. Unleash your inner badass without being a jerk. Remember that awesome dude she fell for? The one with passions that burned brighter than a disco ball, hobbies that rivaled MacGyver's arsenal, and a life beyond her text messages. It's time to dust him off, my friends. Rediscover those neglected interests. Whether it's conquering mountains like a modern-day Indiana Jones, strumming your guitar like a one-man serenade band, or mastering the art of the perfect pizza dough, because who doesn't love a man who can cook? Hit the gym, not to impress her, but to feel like a boss. Reconnect with your bros over epic board game battles, and rediscover the joy of pursuing things that set your soul on fire. Remember, a busy man is an attractive man. As long as he's not so busy, he forgets anniversaries, because let's be honest, that's never a good look. Okay, maybe hold off on the flaming chainsaws and Shakespearean sonnets. But you get the idea. Show her you have a fulfilling life outside the relationship, and suddenly that clingy desperation melts away like ice cream on a hot day, which, let's face it, is always a delicious metaphor. Now go explore, create, and rediscover what makes you tick. Because when you're radiating that I'm awesome energy, it's impossible not to be drawn in. Step 2. The art of the friendly flirt, without crossing lines. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder, but a little friendly flirtation never hurt anyone. As long as it stays appropriate, of course. Strike up conversations with interesting women you meet, compliment their achievements, and show them you're still capable of charming the socks off someone, figuratively please. This doesn't mean betraying your partner, but a healthy dose of social interaction can reignite that spark of playful competition in her eyes. Imagine her seeing you confidently chatting with another woman, your smile genuine, your conversation witty. It might just light a little fire under her, reminding her of the charming guy she fell for. Now fellas, avoid the creepy pickup lines and cheesy compliments. Be genuine, respectful, and remember, it's all about harmless fun. Who knows? You might even make some new friends in the process. Just keep the friend zone firmly off limits. Remember, you're not trying to replace her. You're simply reminding her of the well-rounded, interesting man she's lucky to have. Step 3. Confidence is key, even if you're sweating bullets inside. Let's face it, confidence is sexier than a tuxedo on a unicorn. Even if you're feeling insecure about her pulling away, stand tall, maintain eye contact, and project that I'm awesome vibe. Remember, confidence isn't arrogance, it's self-assuredness. Believe in yourself and she'll start to believe in you again. Think of it like this. When you walk into a room with your head held high, shoulders back, and a genuine smile, you're not just attracting her attention, you're attracting everyone's attention. And trust me, a little healthy competition never hurt anyone. Okay, maybe skip the chest puffing and dramatic poses, but seriously guys, chin up, shoulders back, and own your space. Confidence is like deodorant. Apply generously, and everyone will breathe easier, including you. Remember, when you feel good about yourself, it shows. And when you show her you're a confident, self-assured man, she might just start wondering why she ever pulled away in the first place. Step 4. Live your best life. Seriously, do it. This isn't just about making her miss you. It's about rediscovering what makes you happy. Surround yourself with positive people. Engage in activities that bring you joy. And chase your dreams with reckless abandon. Well, responsible abandon. When you're radiating genuine happiness, it's contagious. And guess who might just catch the bug? Imagine her seeing you laughing with friends, tackling a new challenge, or simply radiating joy. It'll be a far cry from the mopey guy she might be picturing at home. Now, Please don't join a clown college just to prove a point. Find what truly brings you joy and let that inner light shine through. Remember, a happy man is an attractive man. See a recurring theme here? And when you're genuinely happy, it's not just about attracting her attention, it's about attracting the right kind of attention. The kind that aligns with your values, your passions, and the life you want to build. Step 5. When she reaches out, play it cool, but not cold. So, she's finally texted? Don't jump for joy like you won the lottery, although winning the lottery wouldn't hurt. Respond warmly. Show you're interested, but don't smother her. Let the conversation flow naturally. And remember, you're not the only one who needs some space. This isn't about playing games. It's about finding a healthy balance. Be present, be engaged, but don't overextend yourself. Let her initiate plans sometimes, and show her you have a life that extends beyond her. Now, fellas, resist the urge to reply instantly like you're glued to your phone. Take a breath, respond at your own pace, and show her you have a life beyond waiting for her messages. Remember, a little mystery can be a powerful tool. There you have it, gentlemen, the 5 steps to make her miss you. Remember, it's not about manipulation or mind games. It's about rediscovering yourself, building a fulfilling life, and radiating confidence that's impossible to ignore. When you do that, the chances are she'll come knocking on your door before you know it. And when she does, you'll be ready, relaxed, and radiating that I'm awesome vibe that first attracted her. Now go out there, unleash your inner badass, and live your best life. Because when you do, everyone wins.